Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a few months ago, I had a fellow online entrepreneur on my channel. She's a stay-at-home mom, and she was talking about how and why she got into making money online. So in her video, she explains about how she got involved with this new opportunity, and she shares how you can get involved with it as well. So after you get done watching this video, if you have any questions about this opportunity, you can reach out to her personally. All right, I got her Facebook page in the description of this video. All you need to do is click on it and just shoot her a message on Facebook, or you could even send her a friend request first and then message her, after she accepts it, if she accepts it. So if you are a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for an opportunity to make some money online, this is proof that you can do it. Alicia shows you that it's real, shows you that it's possible, and you don't even gotta be a stay-at-home mom to actually do this opportunity. But that's what Alicia, she really is about, helping single stay-at-home moms that want a better life. That's what she's all about. All right, so like I said, watch this video, and if you have any questions, reach out to her on Facebook. And one more thing, only reach out to her if you are serious about what she's talking about. If you have real questions, reach out to her. Other than that, don't bother, because she on the grind. All right, so enjoy this video, and like I said, reach out to her if you got any questions. Peace.
Hi YouTube, I'm going to do a quick update. I posted about an opportunity that I was super excited about, really happy to start running with, and then I just ghosted my YouTube. So quick testimony kind of. Sorry, it's getting windy outside. I want to make sure you guys can hear me. So Daily Digital Club was the opportunity I was posting about, and I stepped back from it because there was a lot of alchemy and astrology and stuff going on with the creators or co-creator or whatever. They were teaching that stuff. So for me as a believer, we're living in the last days. I cannot market something that advertises that. So, and that was hard for me, and I've had a lot of situations like that happen to me, but I just can't risk it if it's not in alignment with if it goes against the word of God in any way. I can't risk that, and right now it's definitely not a time to play. So that's why I stopped with Daily Digital Club. It was a legitimate opportunity, and it was great. I really wanted to be involved with it. I wish there was a similar opportunity without the extra stuff. But anyway, I'm with another opportunity right now that I'm just doing for cash flow. It's member to member, direct member to member payments. I'm just doing it for cash flow. It's a great side hustle. It's super stupid easy. It's only $10 to get started. So there's no links, no websites, no funnels, no learning anything, nothing. It's really just like a hustle to flip your money. It's totally legitimate. The group is super dope. The creator's dope. So it's a really cool opportunity. I'm going to link my Facebook on this video. So you guys will have to go to my Facebook, friend me, and message me if you want to get added to the group. And hopefully that's going to take off, and I can start using that cash to invest in other opportunities that I'm wanting to do. Sorry, I start and stop. It's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes with my son's health and my health, and homeschool just wrecked me this year. I'm not a teacher. I dropped out of school. I hate school. I hate books. I have ADHD really bad. So like sitting still and learning and teaching, and I have 3 boys, 12, 9, and 6. So very hard ages to get them to sit down and listen and learn. It's just been very stressful, but super dope opportunity, and I am going to start posting content again. God bless you guys. Don't be a hater. Don't be a doubter. There are so many opportunities out here. You just cannot be skeptical. Like, fear and faith they don't grow together, they don't sit together, and you have to be willing to take risks. I've taken a lot of risks as a single mom, a single broke mom, because I stay at home full time with my son who is sick. I've taken a lot of risks. I've been burned a couple times, and I'm still taking risks because you'll never win if you don't. And a few of the opportunities, it wasn't that they were bad, they just didn't align with my values, but they still were dope opportunities, honestly. So just, you guys, don't be skeptical. Like, I would have a completely different life right now if I would have went all in on myself so much longer ago. This isn't going to work, I can't do it, it's a scam. Like, just completely shut those things out of your mind. Completely. Because you will cheat yourself out of so much. If there's a payment plan, if there's a compensation plan, there's money for you to be made. There's money on the table. So you just have to be willing to go after it. So God bless you guys. Jesus is coming soon. So, keep God first. And yeah, friend me on my Facebook, send me a message, and I will add you to the group if you're interested in that opportunity. And I'm going to be posting more content. Okay, bye guys.